so long since I sat down and filmed a makeup video. I missed you guys a lot. I've missed filming a lot. I have been traveling so much lately. I haven't really got the time to even edit my vlogs. So I hope to get it up on my channel someday soon. So yeah, today I just wanted to sit down and play with some makeup because I haven't done that in a while. And I actually asked you guys on my stories if you all wanted me to do a neutral look or something with glitters. As I see now, 67% of you all wanted me to do a neutral look. So this is what I came up with. This is such a me look. I also did film a Dubai haul video, which I do want to edit and put it up for you guys. So I hope you all are interested to watch that. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get straight into the tutorial to see how I got this look. So my face is all clean. I have no product on it. And I'm going to moisturize my face using the Henna haina Beauty Hydra Elixir. She was very sweet to send me a bunch of her products. I already had this and this is what she sent me. For some time in between, and for some reason I was not into my skincare. So this product is very hydrating and it's actually something you can use for your skincare routine as well, and even works very nice under makeup. It has a slight, very slight stickiness to it, which helps the makeup adhere to your face very well. So next I'm going to use this Gleam Elixir by Henna Haina Beauty again. So this is a liquid glowy product. So I have carried this on my trip to Bhutan and I've used it almost every single day, and it really makes your base look very glowy because my skin was quite dry while I was in Bhutan, and I forgotten to carry a good hydrating face cream. So I'm gonna go with generous quantity. I'm using an orange corrector for my bad under eye situation. Next it's time for foundation, and I'm going to use my absolute favorite, the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. My shade is Pure Olive. I have been traveling with this everywhere. This stays on no matter what you do. So to blend everything in place, I'm using the Henna Haina Beauty Dab It sponge. This is probably my third sponge and she also sent me one, and these are really soft, very squishy. Loose powder in the shade light medium. It's time for contouring, and I'm using my Kat 1D Shade and Light contour palette. I haven't used it in quite some time now, so I'm going to use the first shade right here. Let's check out at your poll results. So as per the poll, 56% of y'all want me to do a neutral simple eye look. So let's go for it. So first I'm just going to apply some extra powder under my eyes. So today I'm going to use the ABH Soft Glam palette. I don't think I've used this anytime on my channel. I cannot show this completely because one shade is broken and I haven't fixed it. So I'm going to take the shade Orange Soda first. Okay, I clearly don't know what look I'm doing. I'm just going to use whatever shade I feel like. with the transition shade. I am going to take the shade Burnt Orange, which is this one right here. I'm going to take that and then apply that right in my crease. Then I'm taking a pointed tapered blending brush by Sigma E45. I'm going to take the shade Rustic and apply that again in my crease and define it a bit. With the same brush, I'm then going to take the shade Sienna, which is like a burnt orange shade, and once again I'm applying that in my crease. I'm going to take a clean brush and then blend all of this together. I'm going to take orange I'm going to take orange soda again and then just blend. I'm going to take an angled brush and then clean up this area. Okay, I don't know what kind of color I want to put on the lid. I'm very curious to try orange soda on the lid again. With a teeny tiny brush, I am going to take the shade Cypress Umber, which is here, and apply that right here just to add a bit of depth. Moving on to the lower lash line, I am going to start with the shade Burnt Orange. And then go with Sienna in the outer thirds of my lower lash line. And then lastly, add a tad bit of Cypress Umber. So first I'm going to coat my lashes with some mascara. So I'm going to use the Henna Beauty lashes in this style Amira, and these are so fluffy, they are so beautiful. Like, I've used them before. I'm going to apply these off camera and I'll be right back. So the lashes are done. How gorgeous do they look like? Wow, they look super gorgeous. So I'm going to take the Loreal Infallible Gel Liner in the shade Blonde. This is probably my all-time favorite liner. I'm going to line my waterline. I'm going to line very close to the lashes. So now that I'm happy with the eye makeup, I'm going to move on to finishing my face makeup, and I'm going to use something really exciting, and this is a new palette from Tilbury. It's called the Glowgasm Face Palette in the shade Lovegasm. I saw her launch these. I was like, I need this in my collection because anything that she launches, I'm always like, I need it. This is the magical palette. Look at those shades, you guys. They are gorgeous, super gorgeous. I'm going to take the shade right here. It has a nice metallic finish. I'm going to actually use my brush on both of these. The best part of her products is that they are very subtle, so you have that control and you can build it up the way you want, and they just look so gorgeous. It's time for highlighter, and I'm going to take So I'm back with my outfit changed and all of that done. So moving on to the last few steps of my makeup. Ouch. I'm going to use my MAC microfinish makeup setting spray. I'm going to line my lips using the Colourpop iluvsarahii Curvy 2 lip liner. Honestly, this is my most used lip liner. And then for lipstick, I'm going to use the Kiko Milano Smart Fusion lipstick in the shade 404. These are like really inexpensive, 350, something like that. And that, you guys, completes the entire look. This is something so my kind of look. So it's a very simple yet not the regular neutral looks that I do. So yeah, I hope you all really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notifications on so that you know when I upload a new video. And yeah, I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye bye.